background, we got some water. We're gonna clean our broccoli rabe. I did it this once. This is the first time I'm using baking soda. So, just gonna add a little and wait for it. Alright, I definitely have to comment. One of the healthiest vegetables on the planet is dirty. That's 4 heads of broccoli rabe. This is the first time I'm cleaning with baking soda. Actually, this is dirtier. I'm a little surprised. Supposedly, you clean your vegetables with baking soda and water. It gets rid of E. coli. It gets rid of all the bad stuff. But broccoli rabe is, I love it. I eat it raw. I chop it up. I freeze it. And then I use it again and again and again. Excellent vegetable. Very bitter. If you don't like bitter vegetables, definitely not going to like that. But look how filthy that water is. That's 4 heads. So I rinse it again and again and again. When the water isn't dirty anymore, I know it's clean. And then I'll dry it off and chop it up.